What's good, everybody? Welcome to a new video. So some of you have pointed out in my last videos that I am so obsessed with using this plugin Alchemy in most of my cookups, but today I actually figured out that there's another plugin that is in Logic that is super dope that I want to show you. The other plugin is called Sculpture. So if I come here and if I go down, there's this modeling synth called Sculpture that is really dope. Like, you're gonna hear the sounds that this plugin has, and this is the stock plugin, by the way. So this is how it looks. This is the plugin here. It's like, it looks super futuristic. Dude, do not sleep on Logic, bro. Like, I'm mind blown. So first, what I'm gonna do, just for the heck of it, I am gonna create something. Like, I already have a kick and a sound. So this is what I already have. So just as a starting point for me to build a track from. So I found this patch called Aquatic Mallet. Just like that. So now I have these notes and I'm gonna quantize them. Okay, so now we can move on to the snake sound that I'm gonna look for here in Sculpture. So this is an amazing plugin, bro. Like, the presets, especially the modeled bass folder. Damn, bro. So okay, so this first one here, listen to that. Okay, so this is on a high octave, right? So if I go an octave lower, now let's try this bass. Not too nice. Ooh, I like that, bro. Ooh, listen to that. Okay, so there's the bass. So this is my bass. So I'm just gonna quantize. So I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit. And I'm gonna add a limiter to my stereo out. Oh, that bass, bro, is sick. Okay, I kind of like that sound. I can see what I can do with that sound. So let me record it in. And I'm gonna come here to reverb and I'm gonna drop in a silver verb. And I'm gonna drop in another sculpture in. Let's go into mallet instruments. Ooh, I think that sounds good, bro. Do you hear that? Just like that. Let's see what else we can throw in. Let's go into maybe some motion sequences. Yo, listen to that. I can just hold one note like that and then that'll totally be fine. Like, if I just hold one note like this, I can just add in just this note here. So I'm just gonna throw that in there and then just stretch it out like this. Boom. And I can bring it back here. And you know what? I can just extend this and make it super long so that it holds. And make this longer all the way. And I'm gonna turn it down. And I'm gonna throw another one in. Let's check out the blown instruments. like playing with the mod wheel like that. That sounds super dope. I'm having too much fun with that. Okay, so I think it's time maybe to add a little bit more drums to this. So what I can also do is I can also just duplicate this like that, just to separate them like that, and then I can delete that. Just like that. I think that's fine. I can quantize this and maybe just add like a conga loop like that. Let's see if we can throw in a shaker. And maybe another layer of a shaker like that one. I like this one, it's a bit more fuller. And maybe a tambourine for the sake of it. Let's just throw that in there. And maybe one last thing we can throw in here is maybe a vocal. So what I just did is I just came down here to pitch and I just dropped it down like minus 50%, and then I just dropped the chorus down minus 3. So it just sounds like this. I think it kind of works. The key is kind of questionable, but I think it's okay. And then I can just throw in a silver verb, just like that. Okay, so let me record that in. Maybe a tom as well. Let's see if we can throw in a tom. So I'm gonna drop in a tom there. Okay, so I found a nice rhythm for the tom. Just like that. I think that's a good enough tom. So I'm going to quantize that. Boom. There you have it. Oh, that sounds good, bro. And if I take out the kick, kind of like the breakdown. And if I can bring back the kick, and let me turn off the lead. Okay, I think this came out super dope. I hope you caught the vibe that I was feeling right now. I think it came out super amazing. If you enjoyed this video, this cook up, make sure to drop this video a like. And if you're also new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'm definitely gonna be dropping more videos coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned, and also drop a comment and let me know what you're feeling like and who's your favorite Afro producer right now. But anyways, I'll see you in my next video. I'm X and I'm out. Peace.